So here we are going to look at how you can run a DDL query to a database using MySQL. DDL, I mean data definition language. Things like creating a table, dropping a table, such kind of things. So this is how you will typically have it. So as you can see, we are using a try with resource. As I mentioned in my previous videos, that what a try with resource does, it will automatically close connections for you and statements for you. It does the closing. You don't need to explicitly say connection.close because it will do that for you. That's the benefit of using try with resources. And anything that you use in the try with resource must implement auto-closable. So if you can see, we are implementing auto-closable, and this auto-closable has one method called close. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So now we are getting a connection. Let me just say connect to DB. Then we are creating a statement from a connection. And this statement, as we saw that SQL connections are auto-commit by default. That means I don't need to say connection.commit. I don't need to write this. I only need to do this if I had set connection.set auto to false. Then I'll need to explicitly have a commit statement here, in which case I'll have to have some mechanism to do the rollback when an exception occurs, but that's not what we were explaining. And we'll see that when we are dealing with transactions. So as you can see, we have a statement here, basic statement. So since I'm running Java 19, I'm using string template that was introduced. So I just put this inside the string template. So I'm saying create table employee, then I'm defining how it has to create ID, which is auto-incremented, and first name var character, last name var character, salary, which is double, or I can say decimal. I can leave it like this. So basically, if I run this query, I should be able to create an employee database, create table employee. So let's run this code. I already have that table, so it's obviously going to throw an error. Table already exists. All right. So that means if I had, you see where transactions comes into play. If I had another SQL statement that I was executing here, and that SQL statement succeeded, but this one did not succeed, it means now my database is not in a stable state, in a sense that one SQL statement was successful and another one was not successful. There are situations whereby you will want both statements to succeed for you to have to leave your database in a consistent state. Or else what we can do, we can say create table. I believe you have to say if not exist. Let's try and execute this one and see if it's a valid SQL. Oh, it's valid. So here you are just saying if the table is not there, create it. If it's there, don't create it. So you can do a couple of things, even creating stored procedures, because those are also DDL queries. We'll see stored procedures as we continue with our tutorial. So execute update. Let's make this a prepared statement. prepare call, so it will want this query to be mentioned in here, and obviously you will take this and put it in here, and then be able to execute your statement. Doesn't really matter that much. It's just that the subclasses are now becoming like providing you some more features, as I explained in the slide. So that's it with DDL queries using Java.